Welcome to this video which has 5 secret tips to speak English fluently and confidently. My name is Piyush Bhatia and I am the owner of BM English Speaking Institute Private Limited. We are into English training business since last 7 years and more than 60,000 participants from various walks of life have done courses at our institute. We also have an esteemed client list of corporate clients, more than 50 corporate clients. Today I am going to speak to you about how you can improve your English and speak in English confidently and fluently. Before I share with you 5 secret tips to improve your English and speak English confidently and fluently, first I would like to share with you the importance of English and communication. You may be an accountant, a software engineer, a back office executive or a chartered accountant. You may be excellent in the work you are doing. You may have excellent technical skills. You may have mastery in the work you are doing. But nowadays, English and communication have equal importance to technical skills. In order to improve English, I am going to share with you now the 5 secret tips to improve English and speak fluently and confidently. So the first tip I would like to share with you is grammar practice. As we all know, sentence structuring, framing correct sentences in grammar is very important. Raymond Murphy has published a book called Essential English Grammar, and you should buy this book and practice all the grammar units where you would like to improve your English. So the first secret is grammar practice. The second secret tip to improve English and speak English confidently and fluently is reading loudly. When you read any English text loudly, you will develop your confidence. When you read loudly, unknowingly you are reading correct grammar and improving your grammar. When you read loudly, you are listening to correct English. That also enhances and develops your English. When you read loudly, you develop your vocabulary. So reading loudly will develop your confidence and fluency in English. The third secret tip to improve your English is listening. I would recommend that you watch English movies with subtitles. For example, English movies which have subtitles in English, when you watch these movies, you should try to match what is there on the subtitle with what you are listening. And when you listen very carefully, you will develop your English. We all know that we have learned our mother tongue by listening. The fourth secret tip to improve English and speak English confidently and fluently is mirror practice. You must be aware that all stage actors, cricketers, sportsmen, people who learn dance, people who go to gym, they practice in front of a mirror. This enhances and develops their confidence. When you speak in front of mirror, you develop your confidence, you become comfortable with yourself, you can watch yourself, you can look at your positives, you can look at how you occur to other people, you can develop a correct body language. Not only that, when you speak in front of mirror, automatically your confidence will go up. The fifth and the last secret tip to improve English and speak English confidently is, before I say that, let me ask you a question. How do you learn swimming? How do you learn writing? How does one learn cycling? The answer is, one learns cycling by cycling. So the fifth secret that I would like to share with you is speaking develops by speaking. You may be making some grammar mistakes in English, you may not be confident, you may feel that your vocabulary is missing. But speaking develops your confidence in English. So I would recommend that you speak to as many people as possible in English and every day speak more and more sentences in English, and that will develop your confidence. That's all I would like to share with you. Thank you.